I saw the Prime Minister Keir Starmer today.
Keep you waiting.
No, that's fine. How are you?
Thank you so much for being here.
Why?
I'm really pleased about this legislation we're bringing in.
The Employment Rights Act targets the sharpest pressures of black working class and low income families.
My concern is that black families are going to be probably most impacted negatively from 0-hour contract, from firing, rehiring abuses. How do we make sure that there's real teeth in the legislation to make sure people aren't losing out even more than they have been historically? Wait, does he even think that's a problem?
Firstly, let me accept the premise of your question, which is you're absolutely right.
I guess he does.
These affect the people who are most affected by these provisions. I mean, fire and rehire is outrageous.
It is.
It's basically saying you're losing your job. Do you want your job back with lower pay?
Yes, on worse terms.
On worse terms. And so fire and rehire, 0-hour contracts, where people are being asked to do their week-on-week budgeting, not knowing how much money they're going to get. So we need to put those protections in. They are in this Act. So this Act is the biggest upgrade of workers' rights in a generation. I'm really pleased about that. So it means you can't do fire and rehire, and you can't do exploitative 0-hour contracts. Doesn't mean you can't have any flexibility, because some people say they do want the flexibility.
Does he even understand the issue?
My sister was a care worker.
Oh, I guess he does.
Back in the day, she was on a 0-hour contract.
Yeah.
She had kids, and it was really difficult to budget week on week.
It strengthens protections for pregnant women, for new mothers, and for families experiencing pregnancy loss. Important work.
But for families that are impacted the most, it'll make the biggest difference. So I'm really pleased that we're able to do this.
It bans exploitative 0-hour contracts that keep people working but permanently insecure.
Is there a message of hope for families and black people specifically about how the country is going and what the world will look like for them?
It delivers day one rights to paternity, bereavement, and paternal leave, recognizing that families and fathers matter.
You know, they've been massive contributors over a very long time and they've often been left out of the conversation. And yes, I'm going to ask about black people.
Yes, there is. And it's not, you're not just contributors, you're part of what it is to be British.
Oh, that was quite nice. But what does that actually mean?
You're part of this country, you're part of everything that we are. And therefore it's not about contribution, it's about embracing and saying every single person ought to have these rights. Those that are the most exploited need them more than anybody else.
Yeah.
That's happening.
And sometimes you need a government to stand up, flex its muscles and say, we are a Labour government, we care about these things, and we're going to put these rights into place. Employment Rights Act, biggest upgrade in a generation.
In my opinion, the big test is enforcement. Rights without consequences are not rights.
I'm really proud of that. I think that's really important for families and individuals who otherwise would be subject to these exploitations and have been for a very long time.
This act is not just an act of generosity, it is a baseline reset of dignity at work, and that is the standard the government and Keir Starmer will be judged by. What do you think of the policy? Have you read it? Do you understand it? Do you think it will help you? Would it benefit you? I'd love to hear what you think.